Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make grape kombucha. First, gather your ingredients: 1 gallon of filtered water, 8 bags of black tea, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 healthy SCOBY with 2 cups of starter tea. Ensure all your equipment is clean and sanitized to prevent contamination. This guide will walk you through each step, from brewing the initial sweet tea to bottling your fizzy, grape-flavored beverage. It's a fun and rewarding process. Now, let's prepare the base for your kombucha. Start by brewing 8 tea bags in about 4 cups of hot, filtered water for 5 minutes. Remove the tea bags, then stir in 1 cup of granulated sugar until it's fully dissolved. Next, add the remaining 12 cups of cold, filtered water to cool the mixture down. Once it reaches room temperature, gently pour it into your fermentation vessel, then carefully add your SCOBY and 2 cups of starter tea. Cover it with a breathable cloth. After 7 to 10 days, your first fermentation is complete. Carefully remove the SCOBY and set aside 2 cups of the finished kombucha as starter tea for your next batch. Now, it's time to add the grape flavor. For every 16 ounces of kombucha, add about 1/4 cup of pureed or crushed grapes directly into your brewing vessel. Gently stir to combine. Then, carefully pour the grape-flavored kombucha into clean, airtight bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. To achieve that delightful fizz, let your bottled grape kombucha ferment at room temperature for an additional 2 to 4 days. This is called second fermentation. Remember to burp your bottles daily by briefly opening and closing them to release any excess carbon dioxide, preventing overcarbonation. Once sufficiently fizzy, transfer the bottles to the refrigerator. Chilling for at least 24 hours will halt the fermentation process and enhance the flavor. Serve cold and enjoy your refreshing, homemade grape kombucha.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.